Question number 6. A ball undergoes an elastic collision with a vertical wall. So what do you mean by elastic collision? That means energy is not lost. Okay, if v is the velocity of the ball, it goes and hits a vertical wall, it rebounds back with the same velocity. So if mv is the momentum in the forward direction, mv should be the momentum in the reverse direction, but with the negative sign. Okay, let us read the options. Which of the following is equal to 0? What is that? The change of magnitude of the linear momentum of the ball. Change of magnitude of the linear momentum. What do you mean by magnitude of linear momentum? Linear momentum is mv, then magnitude should be mv here, and if this is minus mv, it should also become plus mv. So this should be change. Change means what? If initial minus final, which should be mv minus mv should be equal to 0. So the A is the right option. Let us look at this also. Magnitude of the change. See, it appears that option A and option B are nearly is the same, but it's not so. Let us understand this also, though you got the right answer initially. Change of the linear momentum. Okay, what is linear momentum? mv. Change of the linear momentum, which is what? Whatever is the sign over here, do not neglect that. Okay, so therefore, if mv is the forward direction over here, okay, minus mv is the reverse direction over here, then when you say change of linear momentum, then if I take a final minus initial, final will be minus mv, initial will be minus mv, which will be equal to minus 2 mv. This should be the answer. Magnitude of this, which means what? Remove the negative sign, finally you get the answer 2 mv, which is not equal to 0. So this is incorrect. Now let us look at the rest of them also here. Rest of them, what does it say? Rate of change of linear momentum of the ball. What is this actually? This is nothing but your force. Okay, so this is definitely incorrect, not equal to 0. Then impulse of the ball, force multiplied by time. So this is also not correct, and is also incorrect. Okay, so therefore A is the right option.